Hi students, I am Vipin. Today we are going to discuss about the diluted acid and concentrated acid. Diluted acid and concentrated acid. So what is this diluted acid? Nothing is this, very simple. Diluted acid means it is mixed with water. Okay, which is mixed with water, that is diluted acid mixed with the water. Okay, we know that in that bottle it is written like that, isn't it? Diluted then acid, like that it may be the diluted HCl, diluted H2SO4, diluted HNO3, like that it may be written. So we can understand as that is what a diluted acid. Okay, but concentrated acid means it is present very less amount of water. Okay, understood? That is known as concentrated acid, concentrating. Understood? Okay, so that means that the water content is very less such an acid, that is known as concentrated acid. Okay, and the process of adding water into acid, that is known as dilution. That is known as dilution. Okay, that is known as dilution. Then how we can add this water, like how we can mix this acid and water? Okay, that we want to do very carefully. Okay, we should not add water to acid. Should not add water to acid. This is wrong. Okay, then how we can add? Okay, we can add acid, we can add to water. Okay, very carefully we can add acid to water. So what is the reason why we cannot add like this? Okay, water, why we cannot power into acid? Because it is highly exothermic reaction. So when this water is coming into the acid, isn't it? It will burst out. Understood that? So that is highly exothermic. So it will burst out. So what will happen? So there is chance of some accidents. Okay, so that we should avoid. Okay, so we can add very gently this acid to water. Like that only we can mix this water and acid. Understood? So the reason is because of this, which is highly exothermic. Is it clear? So that process is known as dilution, and that acid, okay, mixed, if the water is mixed with that, then that acid is known as diluted acid. Okay, so very less amount of water is present, that is known as a concentrated acid. Okay, clear? So I hope everybody is understood this topic.